This is the SAP Developer News for August 27th, 2026.
Our August Developer Challenge focusing on Joule Studio is coming to an end at the end of the month, which is Monday, and I'm so excited by the response from the community. Over 500 community members completed at least one task and will be receiving this wonderful badge to display in their community profile. I was especially impressed by the creativity of our community members for the N8N week, where you added your own innovations to the default assignment, like advanced layouting, filtering, and even sorting, which allowed my avatar to rise to the top of the list of developer advocates. I want to especially thank my dear colleagues Srini and Rekha for pushing to have this challenge at all and for building the materials for 3 out of the 4 weeks. This is the last challenge of 2026. We had challenges for ABAP, AI, integration, CAP gaming, and of course this one in Joule Studio. Please let us know what you think of the challenges and what you'd like to see going forward by commenting on this video or in the SAP community. We're going to take a break from challenges to focus on Devtoberfest and our activities at TechEd, and to build and to bring to you new CodeJam workshops. Thank you for participating in the challenges, and we'll bring a new set of challenges in 2027.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the SAP Developer News. There's a new middleware available for the UI5 CLI that brings hot module replacement into your dev environment and projects. It is a drop-in replacement for the UI5 middleware live reload, and as you probably know, the live reload, which is reload the whole application whenever you save a file in your project, but now the hot module replacement only swaps that one file or that one resource that you changed without reloading the whole application. So it is preserving the UI state of your application. So input fields, dialogues, and the whole route don't get wiped, they get preserved, which is a great benefit and makes development a lot more pleasant. So check out the new middleware and keep in mind it's still experimental. All right, see ya, bye.
A great news to all ABAP developers who missed having a local trial after the 2023 version was retired. The ABAP Cloud Developer Trial 2025 is now available. It's a free, downloadable ABAP platform running on SAP HANA 2.0 designed for developers who want to explore the latest ABAP language features and development tools. The Docker image and setup details are available in the SAP community blog post by Julie Plummer. The trial comes extensively pre-configured, including the SAP Fiori Launchpad, SAP Cloud Connector, backend and frontend connections, roles, and sample applications, so you can spend less time setting it up and more time developing. One highlight is the new extensibility model for clean code development, including the different clean code levels and supporting APC checks. Developers can also choose their preferred development environment. Alongside ABAP development tools in Eclipse, ABAP development tools for VS Code can also be used with the trial. And once the external IDE is configured, you can even create a Fiori Elements app directly from ADT. The trial also includes pre-configured tools and scenarios such as ABAP Kit, SAP Cloud Connector, custom code migration with ABAP Test Cockpit, and the Flight Reference Scenario 2025. Also for developers exploring AI and having required license for SAP BTP ABAP environment, you can connect the ABAP Cloud Developer Trial with SAP Joule for developers and its ABAP AI capabilities on a side-by-side basis. If you're looking to explore ABAP Cloud, try out the latest tools, or get hands-on with modern ABAP development, the 2025 Developer Trial is definitely worth checking out.
SAP BTP ABAP Environment Release 2608 is now available, bringing new capabilities across development, testing, security, and system management. Some of the highlights include new features in ABAP development for both Eclipse and Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, you can now create additional ABAP dictionary objects, work with function groups and function modules create behavior definition extensions, and open SAP Help Portal documentation directly from the editor. Release 2608 also introduces updates in the landscape portal, including the ability to choose when technical downtime begins during your upgrade weekend, plus a new managed continuous testing app to help automate testing and reduce manual effort. Another major update is the migration from business role to IAM roles designed to improve performance and scalability when managing larger and more complex role definitions. There's so much more included in Release 2608, so head over to the blog post linked below for the complete list of new features and details.